In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change BNZ bank feeds to connect to Xero. First, let's start by logging into your Xero accounting software. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Xero login page. This is where you'll enter your email address and password. If you've forgotten your details, there's typically a forgot password link you can click for help. After entering your email and password, you'll need to click the login button to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Xero dashboard. This is the central hub where all your accounting information is accessible. It's a simple, user-friendly interface that helps you manage your financial data efficiently. Now that we're on the dashboard, find and click on the Accounting tab. This will take you to a section where you can manage your accounts more precisely. Here, select Bank Accounts. This step is crucial as it's the gateway to altering your BNZ bank feed settings. In the bank account section, you can either add a new bank account or update an existing one. If you need to add a new account, look for the Add Bank Account option. This is ideal if you haven't linked your bank to Xero yet. For those of you who are updating, find your existing BNZ bank account in the list. Once you've selected your bank account, click on it to reveal more options. You're looking for the Manage Account selection. This will give you a variety of choices related to how your bank account interfaces with Xero. Clicking on Manage Account will present options that allow for detailed configuration, including labeling the account, connecting the feed, and perhaps updating the login credentials if needed. This feature is handy, especially if there are changes in your banking arrangements, such as a new account number or updated security measures from your bank, and that's it. You've now successfully navigated through the process of changing BNZ bank feeds to connect with Xero. This integration is essential for keeping your financial records up to date and ensuring seamless synchronization between your banking transactions and your accounting records. If you run into any problems or have specific questions about particular steps, don't hesitate to check out Xero's Help Center or contact their customer support for further assistance. Thank you for joining me today in this quick and easy tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Xero and optimizing your financial processes. Have a fantastic day and happy accounting.